Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here's your daily update emergency. What's going on? We're going down. The right shoulder has finished and we're going down. We will check this in this update, guys. Really important. Watch it. I will hurry up, I promise. Let's go with Bitcoin. So guys, here we are. What's going on with Bitcoin? Dr. Ross is telling us, okay, we are now on 42,200. That's a really big support line and we need to hold this support line. Okay, Dr. Ross, maybe you are in the right position. Maybe this is not the best thing to watch. And yes, we will check now. Is this the right support? Yes or no? I don't know, Dr. Ross, why you are making the support line red. And I don't know, Dr. Ross, why you are making the green line here on the upside. That's the resistance green. In my opinion, it's wrong. But Dr. Ross, maybe you're a doctor, I'm not a doctor. Let me check what's going on here. First of all, Bitcoin has here on CoinMarketCap a red price. We are going down 24 hours. You can see we are going down 3.3%. On 24 hours, Ethereum is going down only 2.1%. And the most coins are bloody red here. Look at this. Everything is going down. Only Shiba Inu. The little Shiba Inu is going up a little bit, 0.28%. And the other coins are going down. Bitcoin dominance 41.6%, Ethereum dominance 19%. We have 17,621 coins here in the market. That's amazing. The Bitcoin price prediction is telling us, okay, attention. We are going not down. Keep cool. We are going sideways a little bit. Maybe we will test here 41,700. After this, we will go to the moon, 52,000. This is telling us Coin Codex with the price prediction. We are bearish, 72%, bullish, only 28%. Then the resting stuff is here, look at this. Based on our Bitcoin forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Bitcoin. This is telling us Coin Codex, but they will take us to the moon with this price prediction. Guys, I don't know. It's not so easy, but we will check all these indicators here. We have the next things to watch for the downside, and you can see 43,400 big support, 42,800 big support, and 42,200 big support. To the upside, the resistance zones 44,500, 45,100, and 45,700. Coin Codex is telling us, yes, we're going up really nice here, but it's telling us here on this point, it's now maybe a bad thing to buy Bitcoin. Okay, guys, it's not easy. Look at my beautiful sweatshirt and let's move on with this picture from yesterday. I showed you inverse shoulder, head, shoulder, 4-hour time frame. I showed you this trend line. If we are watching this one here on the daily time frame, it's a perfect one. Look at this, a perfect one, a perfect trend line. What did we saw? Yes, the left shoulder. Yes, the head. Yes, the right shoulder. A perfect. Guys, a perfect hit here on this point, a perfect hit on this point on 44,500, and now a rejection to the downside. Taking deep breaths now for the next move to the upside. Maybe we can make here a double shoulder. Yes, it's still possible. Our inverse shoulder, head, shoulder is not out of the game. We need to watch. Why you made this yellow line, I don't know, guys. I don't know. It's not the right one. So, okay. Shoulder, head, shoulder, inverse, it's still in the play. The trend line is still in the play. Our nice move to the upside is still in the play. But guys, what else is in the play? A big shoulder, head, double shoulder to the downside. And guys, this is the next big thing. For the bigger time frame, everything is now possible. First of all, a big shoulder, head, shoulder on the upside and a little inverse shoulder, head, shoulder now on the downside. I can't predict the future. Both things are possible now. And the big question is, in which direction will we go, guys? Sorry, I can't predict the future. But now let me check really fast here the indicators. Let me check moving average. Where's the MA20? What's the big thing on the daily time frame? And this is a bad stuff. Look at this on the candlestick patterns. On the candlestick chart, guys, we lost the MA20. We lost it here, and we have time 9 hours to close this candle over 43,100. If we will close it under the MA20, that's the next bearish sign. We need to watch this, guys. What is this nice picture? It's looking like the like a clown face here or something like this. Okay, let's remove this stuff. Let's remove this and this and this and this and this and this. Okay, it's a better picture. MA20, we need to fight back. Okay, we need to close the candle over the MA20. For the moment, we are under the MA20. That's really bad. That's not good. What else can we see? Today, I will like to check the Elliott wave theory, guys. Yesterday, I showed you everything to the upside, everything to the downside. Now, let me check the Elliott wave theory. And guys, what do you think about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you think about this one? What do you think about the price about 80,000? Guys, please let me know right in the comments. Do you think this is a possible move to the upside? Will we visit now a new all-time high, or will we go down again with this M pattern? Will this play out to the downside? Guys, today I can't predict the future because we have a lot of things to watch. M pattern down target 12,000, or a nice Elliott wave, the fifth wave to the upside, 8,000, guys. Big question in my opinion, and I'm open for both of these sides. I hope for the upside. Yes, of course, I'm a Bitcoin bullish man and not a shorter, but guys, everything is possible. First of all, what can we see if we are watching this chart picture here? We can see we are buying for the moment higher highs. This was a high, this was a high. That's good. We are on a nice uptrend. If you're zooming in a little bit more, what else can we see? Let me show you. We are having here a nice parallel channel to the upside, from the downside to the upside. That's our parallel channel, a green one. And in my opinion, as long as we're in this parallel channel, everything is okay. We need to hold this channel. We saw here a fight with the middle line. What happened? It's better to watch on the 4-hour time frame. We saw the fight with the middle line. We saw no confirmed closing candle over the middle line. And what happened? We went down. But the big thing is we need to hold this area, guys. We need to hold this one here. Why? Because, damn, what's going on? Because we need a higher low and not a lower low. We need to hold this one, 41,550. Really important. If we are extend this one here to the left side, you can see it. Here was a really big fight. Here a fight, here a fight. And here is the picture from Dr. Ross again. Dr. Ross, why it is here the line? Yes, Dr. Ross, here is the support line. In my opinion, it should be a green one, but this is now the support line, what we are talking about. And this is a nice area and we need to hold this. Yes, of course, that's really important, Dr. Ross. I totally agree with you. What else can we see? And that's not so nice. We are making here a little downtrend channel, guys. So if we are zooming out a little bit, we have a nice uptrend channel, yes, but in this one we have a little downtrend. What do we need? We need to break out over this downtrend channel here on this point, and we need to stay here over this point. We need to stay here over this trend line, guys, and we need to see a nice leg to the upside now. That's the big thing what I'm watching. I hope that this nice inverse shoulder, head, shoulder can break out to the upside. I hope that this one will be here on the line chart, and I hope we can see a nice move to the upside here from this point. And if we are drawing the line, guys, I can show you what I mean from here over this point to here. We need to fight back here, 44,500 in my opinion. That's so important. If we are drawing in the line chart our, yes, you know it, guys, Fibonacci retracement, what else can we see? Here the next target to the upside. I will not talk about this. Okay, this one is really important, 47,000. But also what can we see? Here's the next big thing, 42,700, because this is the next Fibonacci, the 0.236 Fibonacci. And if we will go down here, the next thing to watch is 35,000, but I hope we will not go down here. Guys, that's a quick update for the day for Bitcoin. I hope you have fun with this update. I hope you can make millions with this update. And guys, thanks for watching. Very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Look at my nice t-shirt. Have fun, guys. And I hope you will make millions with your trades. Bye-bye, guys.
System activated.